So this is the handicapped accessible minivan. We had to call and order this.
No.
Nope, this is our first time. So it looks like it's fully accessible for any kind of electric conveyance vehicle.
Staying in the chair and transferring over to a seat.
So he's asking if she wants to stay in the vehicle or transfer to a seat. Look at that. It's just so easy. To get an accessible minivan. So if you're wondering if you should do it, or if you're wondering how you should get to a resort from your hotel, this was super easy. I don't know how much it was yet. It's going to be charged to our room, and we did tip. So and our driver was amazing. So it's just that easy. Hey friends, I just wanted to film a quick follow-up to that video that I just showed you from our trip in October. We reserved our accessible minivan by calling the number on the Lyft app about an hour ahead of time and set up the time that we would be needing the van. We were leaving from Animal Kingdom Lodge to go to Boardwalk, and we had I believe like a 10 o'clock dining reservation. So we set the minivan up for 9:30, I believe, 9:15, 9:30, something like that. And then they will come right to the front of the resort. That's where they loaded us in. They took us right to the boardwalk. And the only money that we paid to the driver was the tip. We did pay a cash tip. Because I don't know if there's a place to, I don't think there's a place to put a tip. It just gets added to your room. So keep that in mind. If you're going to use any of the Lyft or minivan services, you should probably have some cash on hand. We also booked an accessible minivan coming from Animal Kingdom to Coronado Springs. And it was the same thing. We called during Rivers of Light and arranged for it to pick us up about a half hour. We were a little early, and it was sitting there waiting for us, and I just flagged it down, and she loaded us in, and we went right to the front door at Coronado Springs. So this is a great alternative if you're going from a resort to resort, or leaving the park late at night to go to your resort, and you really just don't want to wait in all the bus madness. It's a good thing. We budgeted 2 trips on the minivan, and You know, if you do it like that, if you budget for a couple of times, then it won't be, you won't experience that sticker shock. But I highly recommend this. Our drivers were fantastic, professional, knowledgeable. It was just an overall very positive experience, and there was nothing like just being able to step out at the boardwalk and go right to our dining reservation. Actually, no, we went to the beach club. Strike that. We did not go to the boardwalk. We went to the beach club because we were at Cape May Cafe. So, from Animal Kingdom Lodge to the beach club. And like I said, our drivers were great, very friendly, very professional. Can't recommend this service enough if it's in your budget. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, I've got more like it. Check out my channel. If you want to give it a thumbs up, that would be great. And if you want to subscribe, that would be even better. So until next time.